Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the new negative split effect to your clips in CapCut. So this is one of the new CapCut effects that you can apply. First, you just need to go to the video effect and you will easily spot the effect on the trending here, negative split, or you can also found it on the retro category. Here is the negative split. So this is the pro effect that you can only be used if you are on the CapCut Pro, and here is the result for the effect. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.